Hi, my beautiful friend. I'm Rebecca, and I am so grateful that you are here. Welcome to your calm. This is your time. Find a place, either lying down or seated, someplace where you can get cozy and free from interruptions. Shut down your eyes. Let out a deep sigh. And acknowledge that this is your time to receive deep, deep rejuvenation. Taking a deep breath in through the nose. And at the top of that inhale, take another short inhalation. It feels like a deep inhale. And right at the top, sip in. And then a deep, audible exhale. Let's do that again. Inhale. And at the top of your inhale, sip the breath in again. And then this time, let out a loud, audible om, but with your lips closed. Tapping into this soothing sound and vibration. Notice this sensation vibrating within your throat and through your whole body, telling your nervous system that you are safe, you are loved, you are divine. Stimulating your vagus nerve and shifting into a new way of moving, living, and feeling. Inviting in the beautiful energy that surrounds you and embraces you. You are ready for rejuvenation. Once more, my friend, inhale, and then sip the breath in just a little bit more at the top with the second inhalation. And then let out that audible sound with your lips closed, the bee buzzing vibration. Let's keep the eyes shut down and then simply move your eyes to the right. Softening here, keeping the gaze over to the right. Your head is still and your eyes remain closed. Staying here as long as it feels comfortable. Looking for a sigh, a gurgle, maybe even a teardrop. That's your nervous system signaling that it's changing gears, shifting. Gently bring your eyes back towards center. Pause here, noticing with curiosity. Softening through the face, let's move our eyes over to the left. Again, our head is staying still and our eyes are closed. Tapping into this subtle movement. Notice the ease moving through your whole body. Reminding it feels good to allow. It feels good to go with the flow and ease. When you feel ready, bring your gaze back towards center. Eyes still shut down, and notice any sensations. No need to analyze. This is your journey. This is your unique body. Bring your attention to the top of your head, imagining a warm sensation moving through the forehead, the brows, the jaw, letting go, softening inside the ears, the tongue, the teeth, allowing the eyes to get heavy, moving to your throat. Feel the letting go. And then let this wave move into your shoulders, down your arms, into your forearms and wrists, into every single fingertip, the left hand, the right hand. And then feel the glowing sensation inside your heart and your chest cavity. Letting out a gentle sigh of relief, bringing back that innate energy inside of you. Moving to your solar plexus region. And then let it trickle down and go into the belly, swirling through the hips and pelvis, into your thighs, in your knees, your calves, all the way down your shin bone to your ankles and inner arches, the top of your feet, the sole of your foot, right side and left side, and every single toe. Again, inhaling and sighing, embracing this rejuvenation. Becoming more present and mindful, letting go of our rigid expectations. Simply observe your breath. No efforting here, just noticing the natural, organic, beautiful, magical rhythm. And with it, each inhale, a sense of serenity just expands within you naturally, without effort. And on the exhale, you release the stress, the tension, the trying, the wanting, the should haves. They all just melt away, getting rid of everything that no longer works. Now I invite you into a lush, peaceful flower garden. Blossoms filling the air with a gentle scent, birds singing, butterflies fluttering, a hummingbird and a bee buzzing by. Nature calling you deeper into your calm. You're safe here. As you rest, set your gentle intention, maybe your sankalpa, and your vagus nerve activation. I am ready to allow. I am ready to allow. Allow ease. Allow support. Allow safety. Allow love. Allow guidance. Allow softening in this moment. Take a deep inhale through your nose, exhaling with an extended VO sound. Voo. Another way to tone the vagus nerve and deepen relaxation. Repeating silently to yourself, I am ready to allow. Let these words settle into your being and into the tissues like seeds of transformation. Bring your awareness back to your breath. Feel the rhythm the rise and fall of your belly and your chest. Another sigh. Wiggle your fingers, your toes. Maybe flutter your eyes. Turn your head gently to the side and over to the other side. When you're ready, bring your hands to your heart and take one final deep breath in and let out your sigh. Just let it go. Any sensations that surface, just embrace them. Before you move on with your day, vow to carry this calm with you. Let it infuse your thoughts, your movements, your interactions. Silently affirm, I am ready to allow this peace into my life. Namaste. Friends, my name's Rebecca, and I love hearing from you. Let me know if this practice helps you and your life. And thank you so much for allowing me to guide you today. May you carry this sense of ease and nourishment into your life. If you want to see more practices like this, please type below vagus nerve. Namaste.